Join in. Join in means to participate in an activity. Example: she decided to join in the game with her friends. Keep on. Keep on means to continue doing something. Example: he kept on reading despite the noise. Keep up with. Keep up with means to stay at the same level or pace as someone or something. Example: she runs fast, and it's hard to keep up with her. Kick off. Kick off means to start an event or activity. Example: the match will kick off at 3 p.m. Leave out. Leave out means to omit or exclude something. Example: the child's name left out of the report. Let down. Let down means to disappoint someone. Example: he felt let down when his friend cancelled their plans. Look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Example: she looks after her younger brother after school. Hand in. Hand in means to submit something. Example: please hand in your assignments by Friday. Hand out. Hand out means to distribute something. Example: the teacher handed out the exam papers. Hold on. Hold on means to wait for a short time. Example: please hold on while I transfer your call. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.